Hello everybody, I'm back and I have my sister here today. And today we thought we would, we noticed those videos that are in, where they follow a makeup guru's video and see if they can recreate the look. So we're going to be doing a Nikkie tutorial and she is using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. We figured we would make a look with stuff we actually had so that we could have like the best outcome. So we're gonna see, because I mean, you know, Nikkie is a full coverage queen, so we're gonna try to recreate her look. It's a very pretty look. Also, should we start our video with her face done? So we went ahead and beat our faces. This is a lot of makeup for me. Zoom in, tell us. Zoom in. That's a lot. What discoloration? So anyways, we have the palette here. And okay. We're gonna play the video actually on our phone. I'm just gonna play it on mine because
I'm watching the one that
no girl, we gotta follow the tutorial here.
It's the same thing.
No bitch, you gotta follow the video tutorial. Okay, here we go.
We love the shade. And on this Aweva
So
227 brush, I'm gonna define the outer portion of my eye, blending all the way.
Going to go in with amber.
And into the crease.
Just putting it on.
For the 227, that looks like a like one of these. That actually looks like a MAC 217.
Okay, well, I'm gonna use this one. Morphe M441.
So she's going in there hard, and she's creating like a.
Then once I reach about half of my crease, and
girl.
go over.
We gotta pause her. Hold on. She's putting that in her outer corner. Do we do just one eye?
I don't know.
And she packed it really good in there.
I'm gonna show up and people are gonna be scared of me.
Oh yeah, you gotta go to work. So she did something like this.
I just realized I had that.
And
into Eden, and this is going
now she's going into Eden.
Same brush, go in there, baby.
Same brush. Bitch, we gotta remove some color. She didn't say that, but
I am loving the pigmentation.
make sure you do that.
The payoff, it is true to color. What you see in the pan is what
God damn, a lot of fallout.
It is a good shadow. All right.
Okay. I feel like I didn't go in far enough, or does she have? I feel like I got all this room to fill. How come the colors look so pigmented on her? Is it blended?
Has she blended yet? Or is she just packing?
She did blend it. Cause that was way too fast.
I'm gonna blend with another brush. Sorry.
I feel like I'm gonna have to go back in and pack it again because I am not as bright as her. Are we recording? Yes. So we're going with that Eden color. She said to use the same brush.
But I don't know. I'm gonna go back into Amber.
Oh shit. Cause yeah, I don't wanna know what this looks like. Fucking cat eye. Hey. Not cat eye, fucking raccoon eye. Man, let me zoom in. Okay, we gotta blend
A lot.
See, this is once I went back in and blended, and if not, you see how it's just super, I don't know, like harsh. It's not soft. It's not blended. Oh God, we're not even in the camera. Good.
Because you're zoomed in. Too much.
Too much? Well, they need to see our faces. Show it back up. So still blending that color out.
2 hours later.
2 years later. Okay. Let me see. Do we look like twins?
No.
I have way too much eyelid space. Jesus. Okay.
Now let's put the blending to the test. Let's see if after blending the intensity in the color is still there. I'm going to go in with a 227, which I use on my other eye, but this is a clean one, and I'm just going to buff out the edges.
Oops. Well, you know, that's what we did, because we figured like it was too much.
Line with a really light hand, smoothing it out.
But these colors look 10 times deeper on Nikki than us.
I think it's just like the contrast in the camera.
To get my shape back in, but this is what I have to do with every shadow out there. And I do want to show
And she
you what the
blended
palette
it.
looks like after dipping into the shadows. So there is a little bit of buildup in the pan. They are a little bit powdery,
A little bit.
but
A little bit.
nothing like we're used to with a recent palette coming out. I'm going to be cutting my
Ooh,
lids.
shade.
Concealer is to stay with this when you want a beautiful carved out lid. And setting that with Twilight. Easily, probably my favorite shade out of this entire
Why does it look
palette.
different?
So unique. I love it so much.
It's
I
probably
love it.
just
The
her
only
like
complaint I have concerning
camera.
Twilight is that it is crumbly and loose in the pan.
She
So if
should
you
have
dip
used
your brush in, you do have a lot of
brush
powder in your
Looks
palette,
pretty.
but try and pick that up as much as you can and deposit it onto that lid, baby, because this color is
So she's cutting her crease from the inner eye area like up to the outer corner.
I feel like I need more.
Kind of like at an angle, and then she went over it with Twilight, right?
Mm-hmm. Alright, let's do this.
I love cutting my crease. I'm gonna use Kat Von D tattoo concealer in, I don't know, that's probably like fair. Light. And my MAC 212. I'm using this square brush. I should probably be using the round brush, but they're all dirty. And here we go. Did you fuck it up already? My sketchy ass cut crease. And I'm gonna use a 239 to go in with that Twilight. Ooh, this is popping.
She is present.
It's really interesting to see the difference in eye shape. Mine looks so much better.
Yeah, okay.
It does look. Look at her little ass.
Shut up.
I cannot. Okay. Oh my god. This color looks really pretty once it's on.
Yes, I
Yes.
agree.
Oh, I'm dying.
I'm sick.
No.
Oh, what did I do?
Show them.
I don't think they see it.
No. She's having a meltdown. Okay. Well, let's see what's next.
All right, I'm picking up a tiny bit of the purple color, amethyst, and blending that in right in between.
Amethyst?
Amethyst?
Bitch.
Oh, it's
And
the
I'm
purple.
really liking the blueness.
Slow the fuck down. So she's going in with amethyst and she's putting it like right where the two color, where Twilight and the outer color corner color meet. Oh my god, I cannot speak. I guess she just puts a little bit of it, right?
Of that Twilight color, so I'm gonna go in with this diamond powder by Makeup Forever. This is like a soft glitter, and I'm going right over top of the set.
Do I have anything like that?
What does the pearl look like?
Yes, bitch, yes. If she wants that blue purple, you guys, this is the old packaging. I've had this forever and it's still full. This is MAC in Reflect Teal. And I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna use the same brush that I used to pack on the purple, the 239. I'm gonna go into my glitter and I'm just gonna put that on top. Ooh, whoa. Y'all can't see what's going on right now.
I'm scared.
Where? On top.
Like all over the
I
side.
just put it on.
All right, to wrap up the top portion of this eye, we need a fierce wing, and we're gonna go straighter out of the eye as opposed to lifted, like following the waterline.
And this is where we fuck it all up.
Straighter out to
Death.
the bottom line, go straight out too.
So I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula. So she's doing a really
And then
long.
bring it back.
I'm just gonna bring my shadow out a little bit because I want it to look like hers.
And I mean, honestly, you could pop on some lashes and stop here, but I can't. I'm gonna be going in with the dark.
We'll be back because this is gonna take forever. Damn it, I'm gonna have to redo this look because it's just too pretty. Okay, so Celeste is fixing her eyeliner tragedy.
Dark brown color called, well, in Dutch, what you see there is called out, and out means old. So this pretty much is old in Dutch. I have no idea how Huda would pronounce this, but in Dutch, this is out. And with an angled brush, I'm
Oh, hell no.
line to the top liner on the bottom lid.
Connecting
Like
it to the
bottom
top
lash line, you
liner?
know what I'm saying. And then using that same brown, I'm gonna go all the way on my lower lash line and make it
Bitch,
So
why?
you have something blurred out and smoked out like this, but then I was like, okay, that's cool, but
I'm just trying to.
She used a tiny little angle brush and I feel like I had one right. Yes. I'm gonna go in with this Morph B45. You can use it after me if you want to use this one.
Use this
And basically she's creating a second line wing going underneath her eye.
and to define that negative space a
Does
little bit
not
more,
look
I'll
like
go with
hers.
a creamy wet product.
Why is yours so dark? Why is it like so... What the
And
fuck?
I'll also be counting 3
Where's
of
mine?
these individual clusters of lashes on.
Is this what she did? Because she grabbed concealer and she put it in there.
I don't think she did. I
Yes,
didn't
she
see
did.
her do
Look.
it.
Unlock your phone.
I don't think she did that. I don't think she went back
I'm
in.
100% sure she did.
She does go back in and fill that in with the creamy product, aka concealer. So I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D concealer. Gonna use a Morph M421, and I'm just gonna, you know, fuck this up after I work so hard. Oh, I can't even see it, but
For lashes, lashes, I'm going to be using the
She
Huda
just does
Beauty
glitter and
lashes
lashes.
in Raquel. And I'll also be popping...
What do is for glitter?
She did bottom and top lashes, you guys, so...
That's not good. I kind of just want to use Cosmo because they're like candy brown.
One of mine is gonna look different.
And I'm absolutely loving these. Like, I am so happy with the outcome, and I'm looking for like bottom little lashes, like Pheromone Hello. And I do also have the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, which I've never tried before, so I'm gonna try it out on camera today. But before we do that, we have to put down a base, contouring, some bronzing, blushing. So first I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Light. I know there's more bronzers out there other than this one.
So we're basically done with the palette part. We just have to do our eyelashes and all that. But I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Okay, everybody, so she continues on to finishing her face or whatever, but someone here has to adult and go to work. So we're just gonna show you, all we're missing is our eyelashes, but other than that, everything else is done. So we're gonna zoom in here. Ooh. Ooh. And show you, lift yourself up higher, or like too low.
But they're supposed to see the eyes.
This bitch, you like this. This is a little like, get closer to me. Get up higher. Go up higher.
Like this.
Just, you go ahead and show him your look. Go ahead, show him. Go ahead. You can cut this closer to your face.
So the eyeliner is okay on this eye, not this eye.
Look straight so they can see.
I cannot.
Anyways, fish, but I think I look aesthetically even. What do you guys think? It's a lot. She did a lot, but it's a really, really pretty look. Do we look like her? Can you pull up a picture? Let's see if we look like her.
But
She doesn't have a picture with that look. She only has a video.
Yeah, I think we look like her. Ah, she needs to stop making faces.
then also let's
Focus. Focus.
Focus on me.
Focus. And then us. Oh! Yeah, see? I think we look like her.
Somewhat. We tried.
Well, hope you guys like this video. Actually, I think it turned out okay. It's definitely doable. Bye.